Start building your email list and making commissions daily in 3 simple steps. Did you know that email marketing has a return on investment of up to 4,400%? That's right. For every $1 spent on email marketing, online businesses can expect an average return of $44. But how do you get started with email marketing and maximize your ROI? That's what we'll be discussing today. Are you struggling to generate leads and sales for your business? What if I told you that you could start building your email list and making daily commissions in just 3 simple steps? With our proven 3-step system, you can start generating leads and commissions within the next 24 hours. Hey there! My name is Alfonso Lafuente, and I've been a successful affiliate marketer for over 6 years. I'm excited to share with you today the most valuable advice I've learned throughout my career. The real money of your online business is in your email list. In this video, I'm going to give you everything you need to start building your own email list, generating leads, and making your first commissions in just 24 hours. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video for all the insider tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Also, please like and share this video with anyone you know who's interested in taking their online business to the next level. Let's get started. Step 1. Build your email list. The first step to generating daily commissions with email marketing is to build a targeted email list. There are several ways to do this, including creating an opt-in form on your website, offering a lead magnet or free content in exchange for email addresses, and using social media and paid advertising to drive traffic to your opt-in form. Did you know that building a targeted email list is the most effective way to generate leads and sales for your business? By focusing on building a high-quality email list, you can increase your conversion rates and generate more daily commissions. Step 2. Segment your email list. Segmentation refers to the process of dividing your email list into smaller groups based on shared characteristics, such as interests or purchase history. Once you have built your email list, it's important to segment it based on factors such as interests, behavior, and purchasing history. This allows you to send targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers, increasing the effectiveness of your campaigns and the likelihood of generating daily commissions. By sending targeted messages to specific groups of subscribers, you can increase engagement and conversion rates. Later on this video, I will talk about cold and warm email list. Keep watching. Step 3. Craft effective email campaigns. The final step to generating daily commissions with email marketing is to craft effective email campaigns that engage and convert your subscribers. This includes personalizing your emails, using attention-grabbing subject lines, providing valuable content, and including clear calls to action. Did you know that crafting effective email campaigns is the secret to generating daily commissions with email marketing? By following our proven tips for creating successful email campaigns, you can increase engagement and conversion rates. But before we finish, let's talk about building a targeted cold and warm email list and generating daily commissions with email marketing. Increase your revenue and build a loyal customer base in just 24 hours. Let's get first a few basic concepts about target market, cold and warm email lists. So, the first thing you have to do is identify your target market. The first step in building a targeted email list is identifying your ideal audience. Ask yourself, who are they? What are their pain points? And how can your product or service help them? Once you have a clear understanding of your target market, you can start building your cold list. Second, nurture your cold list. Your cold list consists of people who have shown interest in your product or service, but haven't yet become customers. You need to nurture this list by providing them with valuable content, building trust, and demonstrating your expertise. This will help convert them into warm leads. Finally, convert warm leads into customers. Your warm list consists of people who have shown interest in your product or service and have engaged with your content. You need to focus on converting these warm leads into paying customers by providing them with targeted offers and calls to action. In conclusion, if you want to start building your email list and generating daily commissions, follow our proven 3-step system. By building a targeted email list, segmenting your list, and crafting effective email campaigns, you can increase your revenue and build a loyal customer base. To learn more about our system and start generating daily commissions with email marketing today, check out the Magick link. It's a training program that will teach you everything you need to know to get started. And you'll also receive 100 free clicks to start making money immediately. Don't wait. Start building your email list and generating daily commissions today. Click the link in the description. I'll see you there.